is on the riverbank. There is a small curved bridge, a row of orchard trees under the clear sunlight, beetle leaves. My sister looks cute, selling vegetables at Don Carl Market. Yeah, my sister is not married yet. When she was a girl, there were many people secretly hoping to follow. Mother urged her beloved daughter to get married. She loved her two younger siblings. She loved her own mother, who was still in pain. My sister was not married yet. Then my mother passed away. We were no longer naive. She worried about her younger siblings, about husbands and children. The day we parted ways at the riverbank, seeing her sad, I felt sorry. My sister was not married yet. Then one bright night, a man passed by. They came back to build a bridge connecting the riverbanks. Met my sister, was cute, just asked for her hand in marriage. She also wanted to get married. The bridge has been built for a long time. No one has come to take the bride home, leaving my sister waiting, her eyes filled with tears. The anchor trees are in pain, many beetle leaves are falling sadly. My sister has not married yet. Many years apart, I returned to my hometown to visit, looking at the acre trees withered, the beetle leaves dry. My sister's grave is small and pretty under the lonely bridge, the grave of someone who has not married yet. My sister's grave is small and pretty under the bridge. I miss her immensely. The grave of a virgin, like the night blooming, serious petals falling in the night. The grave of someone who has not married yet. My sister has not married.